Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The King and His Brother. A moral story: always believe in your family. Once, the elder prince refused to be the new king. He wanted to spend his time serving the poor of the kingdom and was not interested in becoming the ruler. So, the younger prince was crowned king. The younger prince was a good man, but he fell prey to bad advice easily. Some cunning ministers wrongly advised him to make his elder brother his captive. The king sent his soldiers to imprison his elder brother, but he managed to escape in time. Soon, the enemies of another kingdom attacked. The elder brother disguised himself and joined the army as an archer. He was such a good shot that the enemy was scared and ran away. The king said, "Archer, ask for whatever you want." The brother said, "My younger brother's love and trust." The king recognized his brother and apologized for his bad behavior. The two brothers lived happily.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.